You want me to make it dirty? All right. I'm a pretty dirty girl, so I'm going to go with it.
I do.
If anyone will be offended, please leave now before you get offended by these bad words, profanities.
Come on, Kelly, do your thing.
Do we have any small children in the room?
Julian, please close your ears.
Okay.
They're gone.
Then we're all right. And I apologize in advance
Do your
for
thing. Do your thing.
if you don't like
For
swearing.
using the F word.
Everybody does.
It's my favorite thing, though, so you're just going to have to go with it.
Let's do it, Kelly.
It wasn't enough, and I'm like, fuck you and fuck her too. If I was richer, I'd still be with you. Now ain't that some shit? And with the pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. With a fuck you, I said I'm sorry, I don't own a Ferrari. That don't mean I can get you there, yeah. I guess she's next box. I'm in a tower, yeah. The way you play your game ain't fair. I pity the fool who falls in love with you, yeah. But she's golden. Just turns the shoulder. Ooh, I got some news for you. You can go tell your little boyfriend, hey, I see you drive around town with the girl I love, and I'm like, fuck you. I guess I changed in my pocket. It wasn't ain't that some shit? It's a pain in my chest. I still wish you the best with the fuck you. Now I know I had to borrow, big and silly, lying, cheap, trying to keep you, trying to please you. It's been with your ass ain't cheap. I pity the fool who falls in love with you. Well, ooh, I got some news for you. Ooh, I really hate you right now. I say you drive around town with the girl I love, and I'm like, fuck you. I guess I changed in my pocket. It wasn't enough, and I'm like, fuck you and fuck her too. If I was richer, I'd still be with you. Oh, ain't that some shit? And with the pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. With the fuck you. Now, baby, 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 why you wanna hurt me so bad, so bad, so bad? I try to tell my mama, but she's told me this is one for your dad, your dad. Why? Why? Why, baby? I love you. I still love. I said you drive round town with the girl I love, and I'm like, fuck you. I guess I changed in my pocket. It wasn't enough, and I'm like, fuck you and fuck her too. If I was richer, I'd still be with you. Ain't that some shit? And with the pain in my chest, I still wish you the